Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and welcome to Nasib IT. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how can you design this thing easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on the file, then you have to click on the new. Then we have to select insert from here, then click on this box and type here 7, then click on this box and type here 4. Then click on advanced option, then select 300 ppi, then click on create. So after creating the page, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the rectangle tool. Then you have to draw a rectangle in this artboard. Then select the rectangle color to black. Then select the move tool, then go into the layer panel. Then click on here, then you have to lock this layer. You have to lock this rectangle. So after locking the rectangle, you have to select the shape tool again. Then you have to select the round shape. Then you have to press and hold the shape key, then draw a shape in here. Then you have to click on here, you have to click on fill, then you have to select the white color. Then click on stroke, then disable the stroke. Then select the move tool, then press and hold alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select this, then you have to select the shape builder tool, then you have to press and hold alt key, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to click on edit, then you have to click on copy, then click on edit again, then you have to click on paste in font. Then you have to drag this in the bottom by using the arrow keys. So then you have to select this, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. So after that you have to right click on it, then you have to click on transform, then you have to select rotate. Then you have to click on this box and type at 20. Then you have to click on copy. Then you have to press Ctrl plus D button from keyboard. Then press Ctrl plus D again. You have to take some copy of these layers. So after taking some copies, you have to select these layers. Then you have to click on effect. Then you have to select distort and transform. Then you have to select this option. You have to select transform. Then click on this box and type at 90. Then click on this box and type at 90 again. Then click on this box and type at 20. Then click on preview to see the preview of these layers. Then you have to click on this box and type at 12. Then click on OK. Then you have to click on effect again. Then you have to click on distort and transform. Then you have to select tweak. Then you have to click on preview again. Then click on OK. Then you have to click on effect again. Then you have to select distort and transform. Then you have to select twist. Then click on OK. Then click on effect again. Then click on distort and transform. Then you have to select this option from here. Then you have to drag this into 65. Then click on OK. Then you have to select this. Then you have to click on edit. Then you have to click on copy. Then you have to click on edit again. Then you have to select paste in font. Then you have to press and hold the shift key and the alt key. Then decrease the size of this. Then you have to select these layers. Then click on object. Then you have to click on blend. Then you have to select make. Then you have to select these layers again, then click on object again, then you have to click on blend, then select blend option. Then you have to select specified steps, then click on OK. Then you have to select these layers again, then click on object, then you have to click on expand appearance. Then you have to go into the gradient panel, then you have to click on here. Then you have to select white color for this point, then you have to select black color for this point. So after that you have to select the move tool, then click on any blank space. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So in this way you can design this thing easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.